Assalamualaikum students, hope so you will be fine. Today our next topic is gravity. Basically gravity is also a type of force which pulls things towards each other or the center of the earth. For example, when we throw anything up in the air, but it always falls to the ground. Why? It falls to the ground due to the force of gravity. Gravity is another type of force. It is the force which pulls things towards each other or the center of the earth. Gravity always draws objects towards one another. It never repels them. Basically, force of gravity is the attractive force, not the force of repulsion. Next question, how force of gravity was discovered? In 1665, Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity. How? When he saw a falling apple from tree, he thought, why did it fall? No one had pushed or pulled it. Then he realized that some forces must be acting on falling objects, and he called this force gravity. Like magnetism basically force of magnets. Gravity cannot be seen, but it can be felt. It is the force which keeps the planets orbiting around the sun and stops you from floating into the space. Basically, sun is the biggest body of the solar system, and that's why the force of gravity of the sun is much more stronger than the other planets or other bodies, and that's why planets attract towards the sun. Next topic is balanced and unbalanced forces. Forces that are equal in size but opposite in direction. They are called balanced forces. They do not cause a change in motion of an object. But forces that cause a change in motion of an object are called unbalanced forces. For example, in this picture, the weight of the person pushes him downward. This arrow shows the weight of the person. While the floor pushes upward, this arrow shows the force of the floor that pushes him upward. These forces are opposite in direction but equal in size. That's why the person is standing still. These type of forces are known as balanced forces. The person in the illustration is standing still. The force of his weight basically is the force of gravity, is in balance with the reacting force from the ground. When an object is stationary or when it is moving at a constant speed, the forces are in balance. Balanced forces do not cause a change in motion. Forces are unbalanced when something is moving. In this picture, the weight of the girl pulling her downward while the chair pulling her upward. These forces are opposite but equal in size or amount, and that's why they are also known as balanced forces. अगर हम इस पिक्चर में देखें तो जब पैराशूटिस्ट जो होते हैं वो जंप करते हैं तो उस वक्त पैराशूट बंद होती है, तब वो बहुत तेज़ी से मूव कर रहे होते हैं टूवर्ड्स द अर्थ. क्यों? क्योंकि उस वक्त जो होता है फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी होती है वो एयर रेजिस्टेंस, मतलब एयर की जो फोर्स होती है जिसको हम एयर रेजिस्टेंस भी कह सकते हैं और उसको फ्रिक्शन ऑफ एयर भी कह सकते हैं, वो कम होती है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी. लेकिन जैसे ही वो पैराशूट ओपन होती है उस वक्त वो अनबैलेंस फोर्स होती है. जब पैराशूट ओपन करता है तो उस वक्त जो होता है फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी और एयर रेजिस्टेंस जो होती है वो इक्वल तो नहीं होती, लेकिन फिर भी वो इतनी इक्वल हो जाती है कि वो स्लोली मूव करता है टूवर्ड्स द अर्थ. व्हेन समवन मेक्स अ पैराशूट जंप दे आर पुल्ड रैपिडली टूवर्ड्स द अर्थ. Gravity is much more powerful than the friction caused by air resistance and the drag of their body. The forces are unbalanced. When the parachute is opened, it greatly increases the air resistance and slows the speed at which they are falling. पैराशूट के ओपन होने से एयर रेजिस्टेंस और एयर फ्रिक्शन जो होती है और उसके अलावा फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी वो इक्वल नहीं हो जाती, लेकिन उनकी वो इस तरह किसी हद तक बैलेंस हो जाती है कि पैराशूटिस्ट जो होता है वो स्लोली अर्थ की तरफ मूव करता है. Now we will discuss exercise question. Question number 5, part 2. Define the following with example. First one, force. The answer is A force is a push or a pull upon an object. For example, actions like opening the door, lifting a bag, pulling a drawer, pushing a box are some of the tasks we do every day. All these actions require force in the form of push or pull. The next definition is gravity. And the answer on page number 74. It is the force which pulls things towards each other or the center of the earth. An example of gravity is when you drop a teacup, gravity will pull it down towards the center of the earth. Okay student, hope so you will understand. Thank you for listening.